tutorial of mathematics, Maragusan National High School. I'm Melchor Garcia. Now, our topic is on multiplication and division of integers. For example, number 1, we have 3 times negative 4. So in our multiplication in our grade level as elementary grade school, we are using 3 times 4. Now in high school, we are algebra. So we should never use x because it could be denoted as another, or it could misconstrued, mamali ka, mas maayo pa ang parentheses. Karon kung mugamit sa ka og 3 times 4 kaning dako nga period, posible kung magamay nimo mahimo mapagkamalan nga decimal. So mas maayo ang parentheses. So 3 times 4 negative 4 12. Now, walay sign ang 3 sa upper left sa number. So, kini na ay negative. Dili sila pareho. So, ang answer is negative 12. Okay? Karon sa division. For example, 25 divided by negative 25 divided by negative 5. Okay? So, positive 5. Nga naman, walay sign. Meaning ang walay sign, positive. Okay? Pareho man sila negative. So, positive 5. Okay. So karon kung butangan nato og letter. Halimbawa sa division, magdinagko ta 3 4 2 C divided by 3C. Okay? Negative. Ang numerator negative, 3 positive, walay symbol meaning positive. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 4 divided by 3, 1. We have a remainder of 1, so 1 plus 2, 12 divided by 3, 4. So since negative ni kani positive, negative 114C. So naanay, algebra na siya. Monomial. Okay? So, unsa may ruling, anong, yun ani man ang nahitabo. Sa multiplication nga, pila na ka digit, ibutan na to. Okay. 90 puro negative 90 times 4. So, ang answer, pareho sila negative, diri pareho negative, ang answer positive. So, positive ta, pero kay multiplication, so 0, then 4 times 9, 36, so 360, positive 360. Equals na, equals sign, 360. So, ano na yun ang rule? So, balikan natin ang examples natin dito, positive, negative. So, ang answer, negative 12. This one, Kani atong gamiton ha, dili ta mo gamit sa x and this one para dili ta malibog. So parentheses atong gigamit. This one division sign negative 25 divided by negative 5 equals positive 5. So pareho sila positive. Ang dili pareho negative. Kung sama na sa English, sa rule. Okay, so ang rule na to, basta sa multiplication and division, like sign, pareho sila, positive. Unlike, ako na to ang an, gamay ang like, dili pareho, negative. So, mura na ang rule niya. So, thank you for viewing this simple tutorial, especially for grade 8, and it could be used by other up to the higher level. Thank you.